like in the movies, he'll run and kick a dog off or something, Todd's cowering under the tree. So his height, you took my good we'll see how it is when he gets close to it. Yeah. Would you like to sit on Clyde? You would? Okay.
It's in trouble if I lift it all day.
Well, okay, now hold on to, I think God put this here for us to hold on to too. Hold on to that here. Real good. All right, here comes the jealous one. See?
That's one. They got to be a part of this too.
Sure.
I hold his fur, then I ride.
What excellent.
So I can't fall. But I was a better fall. And I said I have cowboy boots. And that's cowboy. Cowboy boots. It could be good if you ride a horse with cowboy boots on.
And run on out. And, okay.
Where's your